everyone, and welcome to part 1 of my surprise garden. So this is my biggest idea for the series. So today I'm going to Lowe's. And, I'm actually filming this video after I went to Lowe's. I looked at the Lowe's website, and they didn't say they had some of the things I wanted. So I went ahead and ordered it on Amazon, only to come here and see everything that I wanted put out in the front of the store. So I feel like I really was meant to be doing this right now. Here it is. Here's my little baby plant. Aww. Can you guess what it is? Just by looking at it? No, I couldn't. It's a yellow bell pepper plant. And the reason I wanted that was because A, we really like peppers, and B, they're yellow. Bruh. And the good companion plant I've recently learned about is a marigold, and the marigolds also come in yellow. So it's just perfect. This is what I'm talking about. This is going to be the most perfect surprise. I'm really excited for this. The only thing that I might have a little bit screwed up on, I convinced myself that Lowe's probably didn't have anything but seeds for pepper plants. I didn't think they had the already partially grown pepper plants. So I rushed and ordered a pack of 4 off Amazon. And now I can't return it, I can't cancel it, and it's coming on Wednesday. I thought there's no way that I could put all those pepper plants in this. But then when my earth box arrived yesterday, it came with this chart, and this chart says how to arrange them for each kind of plant. And under 6 plants, peppers are listed. And it says peppers in parentheses, bell, hot, and sweet. And these are bell peppers. So I'm like really confused because everywhere on the internet it says you have to space them so far apart. And I can't space them that far apart in this one box. But yet this box has the instructions saying that I can do that. I might just end up doing that because there's nothing else I could do with those pepper plants anyway. And if this box is saying it can handle that, I kind of believe it because these are earth boxes. Like it's a pretty well organized brand to help you grow your own plants. Yeah, so today I'll just be planting these little guys. When Wednesday comes, I'll make the final decision, but I think I am gonna go ahead and just arrange them so that I can plant 6 eventually. That's so easy. Okay, I got the hose. Oh my god. Alright, here are the corners, nicely packed in. Well, in my attempt to not make a mess, I have certainly failed. That's okay though. Check it out. First layer of soil, done. So far so good. Incorporate dolomite, which they provide, super nice, and then more dirt, then fertilizer, which they also provide. Who knew? I accidentally bought some from Lowe's, but I will definitely be returning that now. I didn't even know if I bought the right stuff, to be honest. See this? That ain't no green thumb at all. Oh well, okay. Then that's it. Let's get to it. It smells really good. It smells so nice. Here's my trough. Time for plant food. Seems like a lot, but the directions say to use the whole bag. Here, place fertilizer in trough. Use entire contents of the bag, even if your growing media already has added fertilizer. There we go. Next, create a mound. Easy enough. This is so cool. It's like a fitted sheet. And it even has a hole for the water pipe. This is super nice. Really making good progress here. Let's see. Okay. Get off. Alright, really love that my phone just stopped videoing. This is Snapchat. Let's see.
We need our handy dandy
Notebook! Measuring tape here so I can find the exact middle of this. I hope I do this right. I'm gonna do the marigolds first. Oh. This is really big, isn't it? They smell really nice though. Hey, this is gonna... There's no way.
4 hours later.
They're in. I can't say if they're correctly done or not. But whatever. Moving on, I've already made the hole here for the peppers. Hopefully that's easier. It's actually kind of bigger than I thought too, but whatever. I don't know how they do this. It's not that easy. Okay, that one was better. It's so hot out here. My phone just overheated and stopped filming because it was so hot, and I just had to put it in the freezer for a minute so it would turn back on. Dun, 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 dun. Now that I've cooled off and put my hat on, I think I'm ready to start part 2. So, other than it being completely claimed by the forest, this should be a pretty difficult project. I don't even know if you could tell what these are, but these are actually 2 lawn chairs stacked on top of each other and thrown into the forest. In this part of the video, I will attempt to revive them. It doesn't help that I'm extremely afraid of bugs.
Nope.
You know how long these things have been in there? Too long. So I'm noticing here that it's actually like sewn in, and I just bought glue and spray paint and new fabric, of course. And check this out. It matches. Whatever. It'll be at a distance. They're both green, so I tried to match it. here in the light, you can really see how moldy they've gotten. So my mom just called and she's coming back with groceries and she's gonna drive up the driveway and see what I'm doing. All right, here's one, but a lot of ants just showed up. Ooh, there's so many. Ooh, there's so many. Ooh, and oh, I see where they're coming from. What am I gonna do about that? Okay, I did it. I used home defense. I hate home defense so much. I'm so scared of it. I've never used it before, but these ants are just out of control and I just did it. And I didn't even film it because I'm so worried about it.
Hours later.
I've literally been out here all day. Sun's setting, I'm pretty sure it's dinner time. I've been out here sweating every bit of water I've ever drank out of my body. And this is it. This is the setup. It's not finished, obviously. This material, I bought some fabric glue, like metal fabric, plastic glue or something, and it did not glue. The fabric just drank it up. So I ended up doing something so ridiculous. I ended up sewing it. It looks so bad. And I actually don't even know how long I spent on this. And it looks bad. And this is the only part that's actually attached. This part I just taped there so that you kind of get the idea. This one, forget it. I'm done. There it is. Very cute. You get the idea. I wanted this to be a surprise for both of my parents. So that's why I haven't asked for any help. I need help. But I've set it up enough so that it's a surprise. They don't expect this at all. I just know it. Let's see if I can go get their reaction. Follow me. You're not on video yet. I worked very hard on this.
Yeah.
As you might know. And it's not finished because it's really difficult. But I set it up so you get the idea. And I hope you like it.
Oh, that's cool, Dax. What are you trying to do? Like a garden thingy? That's why it's like that. See, on both sides. You have to undo it, and then it's this. You see this?
Oh, I like the material you chose. It's very pretty.
Thank you.
I like the green. And your garden kit. What are you growing here? Cucumber?
Nope. Guess again.
Look, Alexa did.
I'm not good at guessing plants.
Oh, that's fine. It's really not obvious.
Well, those are cute little yellow ones.
See?
Oh. Well, who would have known?
I did, but nobody asked.
Well, yeah, because it was supposed to be a surprise.
But this unscrews. Oh, these see at the bottom?
Yep. And then you can get new material for it?
Yeah, you can buy the new material, slide back in.
Well, that's really nice. Yep, really
Well,
nice.
thank you.
This garden kit is an earth box. So you water it through the tube and it self-waters.
Oh.
It's a really nice growing kit.
Oh, cool.
Are you excited about it?
Yeah.
Where are you going to put it?
I'm sorry?
Where are you planning of putting it?
Right there.
You can also put it here. You know.
Yeah, that's a better spot.
Yeah, this would be a good spot too. That's a pepper plant.
What kind of pepper?
Bell pepper.
Oh, bell pepper.
And they're going to be
Cool.
yellow.
Oh.
Also, I don't know if you can tell, but this part looks kind of nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, that does look nice.
Well, I spray painted it.
Yeah, you did the top too, I see. Oh, and here, the leg,
Wow.
arms too. But did you clean it really well before you
Yeah.
did that?
Yeah, I did,
It a little bit?
but I didn't sand it. But I put home defense all over it,
Yeah.
and all the
There's a lot
ants
of
are back.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, we just need like new material.
Well, I have the material.
No, that doesn't slide in there.
Oh.
I don't know what she wants to do with it. It's already running ants on it.
All right, Mama's gonna try watering her garden for the first time. Here we go.
I'm learning.
Oh, okay. You cut a hole
Yeah.
in the sheet and you dig a hole. Fit it.
Yeah, but how do you know it's gonna go deep enough?
Well, I mean, I just dig a hole. Whatever. These are much smaller than the one I bought at Home Depot.
Paula said she did the cucumbers from seed.
That's crazy. See, I didn't want to do that.
It's not gonna be too much for one.
I don't think so. This is what the instructions said it could do.
All right.